Today, we're excited to announce the launch of a new feature in Gallabox called AI Agents. Previously, on the left navigation, you might have noticed a section labeled Bots. We've updated this to AI Agents and Bots to better reflect our new capabilities. When you visit this screen, you'll find a list of your existing bots. We've updated the terminology here to workflow-based agent for bots. If you choose to create a new agent, you'll be greeted with 3 exciting options. The first option is Bot, which is our traditional workflow-based agent. The second option is a chat AI agent, and the third is a voice AI agent, which we are planning to introduce soon. Let's dive into the chat AI agent. By clicking on it, you'll open a wizard designed to guide you through creating your AI agent. Your first task will be to select your industry from the list provided. If your industry isn't listed, don't worry. You can manually type it in. We've also created 4 default use cases for which our AI agent can generate its own prompt. However, if your use case isn't covered, you have the option to build from scratch, giving you the freedom to write your own instructions. For this demonstration, I'm choosing to build a lead qualification agent. On this screen, I can rename the agent to something more specific. I've decided to call it Gallabox Lead Qualification. This agent can be launched across multiple channels, providing flexibility in how you engage with your audience. You can choose to create this for WhatsApp or Instagram. Currently, I haven't linked an Instagram account to this Gallabox account, so I'll proceed with WhatsApp. You'll need to provide your website URL as part of the setup. If a website isn't available, you can give a short description. This should be a detailed summary of what your business does, the services offered, and your ideal customer profile. Based on this description, the AI agent will be tailored to your needs. For now, I'm opting to use a web URL. Once I click Create Agent, our AI will analyze your website, extract necessary content from your homepage, and create a customized prompt. You'll then have the opportunity to view and edit this prompt to better align with your customer interactions. In just a few seconds, our agent is ready. The role, goal, and instructions are automatically filled based on the information gathered from your website. A well-prepared AI agent will include a defined role, specific goals, and instructions on tasks such as qualification, lead scoring, objection handling, disqualifying leads, and fallback mechanisms. All these elements are outlined here. Additionally, the agent will provide product and resource links if users request them during a conversation. In terms of escalation, we offer a handoff to human option. By using our Assign to system action, conversations can be transferred to a human agent whenever the AI agent encounters a complex query it can't handle. Once you've completed this setup, you can save and publish the prompt. After publishing, you can test your agent by clicking on Test Agent. Enter your phone number, click Test, scan the QR code, and initiate a conversation with your AI agent. If you're satisfied with the responses, you can designate this as your default agent. If adjustments are necessary, simply tweak the instructions to better suit your needs. After fine-tuning the instructions, navigate to Settings, then WhatsApp channel, and within Assignments, assign new conversations to agents and select your AI agent. I've set up the Gallabox Lead Qualification as a new agent. From now on, any conversation received on WhatsApp will be directed to the Gallabox Lead Qualification agent. It's straightforward and efficient. As you can see, I've successfully made this my default agent. For those exploring options, it's important to note that the Chat AI agent's availability is based on your plan. On the Growth plan, you can only create a Chat AI agent for the Instagram channel. If you're on the Scale or Pro plan, you have the option to purchase the AI Agent add-on, allowing you to create Chat AI agents for both Instagram and WhatsApp. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us at support@gallabox.com.